So in this video, you'll learn how to change the layout of the apps drawer. So the first step is to actually access the apps drawer. And then from here, you want to tap on these three dots on the search bar. Once you've tapped on them, select sort, and then you have two options. You have custom order and you have alphabetical order. So in order for you to change the layout, you have to choose any of these options. So for example, if I select alphabetical order, then the layout changes. So it's just one long page instead of two pages or however many pages you have on your apps drawer. But if I want to change it back so that I'm swiping instead of just scrolling down, then again, I go back to sort, select custom order, and then the layout will change to just a swipe instead of a scroll. So it's completely up to you to decide which layout suits your preferences. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.